DropCourse review in 2025. Is it still worth using or should you leave it behind? So let's find out and make sure to like and subscribe. So, DropCourse is marketed as an all-in-one course hosting platform for online educators. But how well does it really hold up in 2025? So, first is its features. DropCourse lets you upload unlimited courses, videos, and documents. It has built-in student analytics, payment integration, and customizable landing pages. The dashboard is clean and simple, so even beginners can navigate easily. Next is their pricing. The platform uses a flat monthly subscription starting at $49. There's no per student fee, which is a plus, but advanced automation tools are locked behind the higher tier plans. And now for the pros of this app. It's user friendly. It supports multiple payment gateways, and it has solid customer support. The hosting speed is reliable, and the course pages load fast even without heavy content. So for the cons, it lacks deep marketing automation compared to competitors like Kajabi, and its template customization options are somewhat limited. Also, there's no native mobile app for students yet, which is a drawback. So, in conclusion, DropCourse is worth it if you are after simplicity and unlimited uploads at a predictable cost. But if you need advanced marketing and full branding control, you might want to look elsewhere. And now you can decide if it's the right fit for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.